Hello everyone. Today, we're embarking on a journey to uncover the incredible impact of consistency on our lives. Consistency is the key to success. Small steps taken consistently lead to big results. Consistency breeds excellence. Success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. Consistency is what transforms average into excellence. Consistency is the foundation of virtue. The secret of success is consistency of purpose. Consistency is the hallmark of the unimaginative. It's not what we do once in a while that shapes our lives, but what we do consistently. Consistency is the bridge between goals and accomplishments. The road to success is always under construction, but it's the consistency that keeps you moving forward. Consistency is the mother of mastery. Consistency is the most underrated virtue in today's society. Success is walking from failure to failure with no loss of enthusiasm. Consistency is the compass that guides you to your goals. Consistency is the glue that holds your dreams together. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Consistency is the engine of achievement. The only thing stopping you from achieving your dreams is the story you keep telling yourself about why you can't achieve them. Consistency is doing the right things the right way every day. Success is not the result of spontaneous combustion. You must set yourself on fire. Consistency is the key to unlocking your full potential. In the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity. Consistency is the path to mastery. Success is not for the lazy. Consistency is the cornerstone of progress. The difference between a successful person and others is not a lack of strength, not a lack of knowledge, but rather a lack in will. Consistency is the key to building lasting habits. Success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. Consistency is the commitment to your own growth. Consistency is the art of keeping promises to yourself. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Consistency is the currency of achievement. Success is not the destination, it's the journey of consistent effort. Consistency is the secret ingredient to turning dreams into reality. Thank you for joining me today on this journey through the wisdom of consistency. Now it's time for you to go out there and make consistency your superpower.